Good morning, dear student. Today I will discuss about the relative motion. What is relative motion? This is a vector quantity when two bodies are moving opposite to one another. In that case, for example, A body A moves in the direction there VA, right? This is the speed velocity is Va, and the body B velocity is Vb. They are in opposite direction. Okay, therefore relative velocity of A with respect to B is equal to Va plus Vb, right? And relative velocity of B with respect to A also will be Va plus Bb. So in the case of opposite direction, the relative velocity be sum of them, and in the case of if both are moving in same direction, in that case Va also moving in the direction, this is the velocity Va, and Vb in this direction Vb, both are in same direction. In that case relative velocity of A with respect to B is equal to Vb minus Va, Va minus Vb with respect to B, to Va minus Vb, which bodies respect to B is subtracted in that case, Va minus Vb, and relative velocity of B with respect to A, in that case Vb minus Va. So we should care about the points for which respect that is subtracted. Okay, dear student, now come to the question. Suppose there are two bodies. The first is 10 meter per second in this direction, and body B moves in this direction 15 meter per second, right? So relative velocity of A with respect to B, that will be Va plus Vb, that is 10 plus 15, 25 meter per second. In the same way, relative velocity of D with respect to A, that will be Va plus Vb, this is also will be 25 meter per second. Now come to the opposite same direction. Va is equal to 15 meter and Vb is equal to 10 meter. The relative velocity is equal to 15 minus 10, that is 5.